Now we need to put our telescope on. We'll have to have a bloopers at the end. Hey everybody, we have got the Paw Patrol Gingerbread Lookout Tower. It's just like a gingerbread house, but it's the lookout tower. Look at that, it's got a marshmallow paw print. And the slide, and the telescope on top. And oh, there's Chase and Rubble. I cannot wait to put this thing together. And here's the back with all the directions. And there is going to be gingerbread and icing and candy. So let's get started putting this together. We've got to put together the lookout tower. I need help. Pups, it's time to build. I need my superhero Paw Patrol. Woof! Here's superhero Rocky and Chase. Here's Sky, Zuma, Rubble, and Marshall. We're ready to put this lookout tower together. So let's get this stuff out of the box and see what we have. This is really cool. Here is the base. Here's the gingerbread. Oh, we get to put it all together. And what else is in here? Here are some little cardboard pieces. There's Marshall. And our candy. There's the marshmallow. Woohoo! And some icing. Blue icing. And this is a pack of ooey gooey icing. It's so squishy. All right, pups, let's get started. First, we're gonna take all of our candies and put them in the bowls. So we've got our little dots here. Look, all those different colors. There we go. And we've got our yellow sprinkles for the windows on the lookout tower. There we go. Chase, get out of the sprinkles. That's silly. We've got to build a lookout tower. Here, you sit over here. And we've got our gummies. Ooh, these look yummy. Let's put them in this bowl. Marshall, you can't eat the gummies yet. Uh-oh, we better get him out of there. He's eating all our gummies. Come on, Marshall. Here's the big gummy. It's the paw print. Woohoo! Can't wait to eat that one. Next thing we do is we take these 4 big pieces that make up our lookout tower and we're gonna put frosting on them. So after you squeeze your icing and you warm it up so it's nice and soft and gooey, you're gonna take the corner and cut off a small bit like this. And then we're gonna squeeze our icing on, just like this. And we're gonna do that on all 4 pieces. And we're gonna put a little bit over here and a little bit over here. I love icing. Which is your favorite to eat? The candy, the icing, or the gingerbread? Now we need to spread it out. And after we spread it out, we have to wait for it to dry before we can build. While we're waiting for these 4 pieces to dry, we can start working on our lookout windows.
Yay!
Here are our 6 windows. We've got to put a little bit of icing on each window. And then we're going to use yellow sprinkles. I hope the Paw Patrol pups haven't eaten all our sprinkles.
They haven't.
We're going to spread this out. All right, let's get our yellow sprinkles. Rubble, you're eating the sprinkles again. He's got sprinkles all over him. You better go clean up, buddy. Now we get to put the sprinkles on. We're making a mess. Pat them down. And this is gonna make our yellow windows. Starting to look good. Now we have to wait for these to dry. We've got frosting on the edge, and now we're gonna attach our first piece. Just like this. We're starting to build our lookout tower. Now we're gonna attach the other two walls. Here's the third wall. Now for the fourth wall. I'm gonna slide it in here. All four walls are put together. Do you think it looks like a lookout tower yet?
No.
No, it doesn't. We need to add the top. Time to add some more frosting. There we go. And here is the top piece. Just like this. That looks like a giant cookie. Here's our first window. Now it's time to add the other windows. Here's the second window. Fifth window. Here's the last window. Now we have to add more frosting on the top. Time to build up. Here's the top. And then the last piece that goes on top. Here's our lookout tower slide. Go. Gonna wrap around the back. Now we need to put our telescope on the top. It's starting to look like a lookout tower. We finished the yellow sidewalk. Here's Rubble and Chase. All right, now it's time to decorate the top. Wow, it looks so good. It's trying to fall off. There we go. We get to use some of our blue icing. Woohoo, that looks nice. And around the top. Now we get to add some of our candy. Put the little dots on the edge of the lookout tower. We have all different colors. Now we get to put the gumdrops on. Just a few more around the corner. There we go. There's gumdrops on top of the lookout tower. But I really enjoyed sharing this cool toy with you and had a lot of fun putting it together. We've got the lookout tower and the gumdrops, the windows, the candy, and the paw print. There's Rubble and Chase and Marshall going down the slide. Here's our sidewalk with our gumdrops. This was pretty cool. It looks like a lot of messy fun. See what it looks like compared to the box? We did okay. Here's our superhero pups. We've got Sky and Marshall. Here's Chase and Rocky and Rubble and Zuma. Thanks for helping us, guys. We've got a lookout tower. If you have any questions, place them in the comments and subscribe to my channel for lots more toys. Thanks, guys.